Our new comment mode makes collaborating on videos so much easier. In our first video, you learned how easy it is to add, search, filter, and resolve comments. Now let me show you how to invite team members and others to comment. Once you're in comment mode, just click this button. From here, you have the option to add existing team members or invite other collaborators. To invite a team member, click on Invite a Team Member and simply select the people you want to invite. If you like, you can add a short message. Let's say you're creating a video to explain a new process, and you need the department's approval to make sure the content is correct. You invite external people to collaborate by entering the email address here. If you want to invite more than one person at a time, simply separate the email addresses with a comma. Let's see what happens when you add external collaborators to your project. My colleague has received an email inviting her to comment. All she needs to do is click the Comment Project button. Even though she doesn't have a Video Maker account, she still has to sign in with her email address and name. She is then redirected to comment mode and can easily add her feedback. Sharing and feedback processes are easier than ever with the new comment mode in simpleshow Video Maker. Try it now and create your next video together.